have to turn it up real quick, man. Go inside, I'll shout.
What you said was, when we were talking about like anime and like movies and shit, and she was, I'm still looking for text, but she was like,
Turn it off, man! Turn it off! Pull the plug!
Bakit hindi pwede?
It's not good for the ozone layer.
it's good for your breath, or sipsipin mo paglabas.
Ito dagat to, daming tayo to. Dami ano, carbon dioxide. Yes lang.
Bisa alat siguro yan.
Ilang PSI pa yan nasa loob? Mababa na.
Standing pressure is 185. Pero running pressure is low.
May tagas yun.
That's good. Usually, a well-maintained air conditioner, residential air conditioner, would normally just last maybe 4 to 7 years. That's its lifespan, if well-maintained. But taken into account, you guys are near the ocean too.
Yeah.
From us, you'll get people who could work on it for a much more cheaper price. But we know for a fact that we'll fucking fix it.
Yeah.
You know.
Nagulat nga din si mama eh.
Yeah, what gulat son?
Sa prices yun.
Huh?
Sa prices yun.
Why? What happened? Too expensive?
Ha?
Too expensive?
Yeah,
Too low.
mura.
Yeah. It's for you, man.
Wow.
Murang-mura na.
Nabula pa.
Yung kay ano, gan kay...
Oh, I heard you vlog.
What's that?
I heard you vlog.
I don't really vlog, man. I just take videos and then upload it on
Ah.
YouTube. I don't vlog like fucking talk to the camera and shit.
Oh.
Well, I do, but my main purpose is put memories on YouTube.
Yeah.
Like once I'm like maybe 20 years from now,
You can look
I
back.
could look back and say, oh shit, I remember this guy.
Yeah. Nah.
So it's not for fame, it's not for money, it's for me.
Yeah.
It's
Nah.
for my eyes.
Yeah, no, I just say that because I remember Karina said something about, oh yeah, he goes up in mountains and vlogs, and I'm like, seriously, that's cool as shit. Then she was like, ask him about it.
When was that?
Like that was a while back. That was like maybe almost a year ago.
motion when I'm approaching. I do attain perfection. Music often acts as a cushion as well as my main obsession. My aim and direction came in the session, dressed in positive vibes. There's never a question, I feel like I'm blessed to just be part of the ride. The feeling is hard to describe, call it a fate or call it a drive. No matter the space or size, this magic will happen in front of your eyes. And whether you're dead or alive, late or way ahead of your time, you possess the power to change the negative forces set in your mind. See, love is a seed, as soon as it feeds of human emotion and action. The more you can feel when something is real, it's a limited caption. We move in a primitive fashion, logic is missing, we giving the passion. And we can get lost and thrown on course and keep it prevented from crashing. I know what you asking, what is the purpose? And are my efforts worthless? Can it be reached if I can get deep, or am I just scratching the surface? Well, I was just thinking the ways of swinging the meaning and making the phrase. Cause trying to personify love is harder than writing with ink on the page.